When working with a lot of data, we have some words like mean, median, mode, and range that help us to describe the entire group. We're going to be looking at a few of these right now. We are going to look at a small collection of data points and analyze the mean, median, mode, and range of these values. Let's say that for 5 days in the summer, you were asked to record the temperature each day. And on Saturday, the high temperature was 88. On Sunday, the high temperature was 91. Monday, the high temp was 85. Tuesday, high temperature 88. And finally on Wednesday, the high temperature was 89. And let's say that with this information and this set of data points, we would like to find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. So first what I'm going to do for the purpose of some of these is put these numbers in order. So we'll start with the lowest temp these 5 days, 85. Then we had 2 88s, an 89, and 91 was the highest. So to make sure I have them all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. First, let's look at the mean. Mean is the same thing as average. And to find the average, what I'll want to do is to add these numbers up and then divide by the number of numbers that I have. If I add these up, I will get 441. If I then divide by 5, I will get an average temperature of 88.2. Just like you're figuring your average grades or average of anything, you add up the number of entries that you have and then divide by the number that you have. The next thing I want to look at is the median. Now the median is the number that's in the middle. So now that they're in order and I have 5 numbers, the middle number would be this 88. So the median would be 88. And these of course are all degrees. Next we'll look at the mode. The mode is the one that occurs the most often, that shows up the most times. In this case we had 2 88s, so that would be 88 degrees. Now here our median and our mode were the same, and that would always have to happen. Now we look at our range. And the range is just how far is the highest number from the lowest number. So in this case, to find the range, we're going to take 91 minus 85, and we'll get 6. So the range of the numbers is 6 degrees. So it only varied 6 degrees on these particular 5 days. Now the only thing that I'd like to add to this example is in the case of the median. We found a middle number, because remember median is the number in the middle when they're put in order. If we had an even number of entries, in this case we had an odd number so we could find the middle. If you had an even number of entries, you would just circle the middle 2 numbers and then find the average of those. And that's how you would find the median if you had an even number of entries.